Hello everybody. In this video I have tried to show how MQ2 sensor is used for gas detection or smoke detection. Okay, so you can see over here I have taken Arduino board, one MQ2 sensor I have taken a buzzer over here, two LEDs I have taken, a breadboard. Okay, and I've used the software Tinkercad over here. Okay, so this is my MQ2 sensor. It is having 6 leads, 1 2 3 4 5 6 leads. So upper one is A1, this is H1, and this is A2. Lower one is B1, and this is H2, and this is B2. Okay, see, H lead stands for the heating of the element, okay, which is present inside this sensor, and A1 and A2 or B1 and B2 you can use either side. Okay, that means you can take these 3 leads to give the input to the Arduino board, and for heating element and for grounding, or otherwise you can take this one. Okay, I have taken the opposite one, that means I'm taking the B side. Okay, but when you mold this, okay, sensor onto PCB board, you will be finding just 4 pins, that is VCC, ground, analog and digital. Okay, but if you directly take the sensor you get 6 pins, right? Now what I have done is that I have taken an Arduino board, okay, sensor. Then what I have done is that from the sensor B1, okay, which is sensing this environment, I have taken this B1 into the analog input of Arduino board, okay, and H I have grounded, okay, and B2 I have grounded through a resistor. This is 4.7 K, okay. Through that I have grounded that one. Okay, you can see the value over here, it is 4.70. Okay, now coming to the upper side, this A1, H and A2 all are given 5 volt. Okay, now I have taken a buzzer over here which will be sounding when there is a smoke present, okay, or gas presence. So one side of the lead of this buzzer I have connected to pin number 7 over here. You can connect to any of the pin. Another one I have grounded through a resistance. Okay, I have taken a green LED and a red LED. Green LED will be glowing, okay, when there is no gas, the environment is very, or the surrounding is very much clear, and if there is a detection of gas, the red LED will glow. And how to connect the LEDs through the resistors, you know very well for that. Okay, or you can observe it over the here in the circuit. Okay, now for this circuit I have designed or I have written a code over here. Okay, so let's go through the code. Yeah, one more thing, I have given plus 5 volt and ground to the breadboard, and from there I have taken it, okay, from the Arduino board. Okay, now coming to the code, I have taken green LED, so I have defined green LED as pin number 2, red LED as pin number 3, sensor as A0, buzzer I have taken as pin number 7, and threshold of sensor I have taken as 400. Okay, then I have defined which is the input and output, so I have taken pin mode for this defining. So green LED is output, red LED is also output, buzzer is output, and sensor is input. Okay, and sensor is giving analog data, right? So in the loop what I have done is that you can see in the loop I have taken analog value, okay, a variable I have taken. To that I am taking analog read sensor. So this what it is doing is that it is reading the value of sensor, okay, and transferring it into analog value. Then I am comparing analog value with the threshold which I have provided. Okay, if the analog value is greater than the threshold, this lines will be working out. Okay, that means buzzer 100. So this is the frequency of the buzzer, this is a delay, okay, tone I had given. So buzzer will start sounding. Okay, and red LED will be high, digital write command I had given. So red LED will be high, there will be delay of 1000, okay, millisecond, and then digital write again, green LED will be low, delay 1000 milliseconds. Okay, and if at all this condition is not satisfied, what will happen, this part of the code will run. There is a red LED will be low and green LED will be high. Okay, and these are the delays. Okay, so let's simulate it and have a look whether it is working properly or not. So I'm starting the simulation over here, and now you can see the simulation started. So you can see the green light is glowing. Now what I'm going to do is that I'm going to put a smoke over here. So smoke is over here. Let me drag the smoke to this point. Okay, I have drawn it. Now you can see okay, the smoke is over here. Okay, so let me drag the complete down because it's overlapping. Okay, so you can see there's a red LED is glowing and there's a buzzer sound is there. You can see the image over here. Okay, beeping sound is there. So this is how the circuit is working. I hope you understood the working of MQ2 sensor. Okay, thank you for watching the video.